have to do every subject every day. That was major.
That is a good point. Yes. Yes. Yeah, we used to do unit studies, and maybe half the year we would do history. The other half we would do science. And with kids on the spectrum that don't, shift topics too quickly, it was really good for us because it helped us to focus on one subject instead of to have one extra or two extra things in the day that we didn't have to shift, because shifting takes so much energy.
Yeah, I have said we have like transition resistance here.
Yes.
Just trying to move from one thing to the next is really difficult unless you have. That's where the routine can come in and be helpful, where you have like, okay, this is the signal that we're going to be moving to the next thing.
That's a good, yes, I've heard people that do that, yes.
And it doesn't have to be a huge thing. It could be something small. There's lots of different things. I would discourage using food as a signal of transition, because that can give way to like bad food eating habits.
Right. We use meal times sometimes, like lunch. Lunch would be a transition time. And I did a lot of reading while my kids were sitting and eating, and I was reading.
That would be a healthy one. But I mean like candy or something.
Right, exactly. Yeah.
So I've seen people do that. Even I was surprised, like when my oldest was in speech therapy when she was little, they would give her a piece of candy, like to eat. I was like, why are you doing that?
Yes.
Don't you know that's bad for them? So, but I mean, I would give them healthy snacks because it was a long drive. Again, another hour to get there. But, or they would eat in the car anyway, but they didn't eat candy. They could have something healthy. I do encourage my kids, like, they can eat a cucumber or some celery or some carrots, like to have that tactile sensory thing that they want. And it's into something healthy. It's not a cookie or something like that. So,
those are some great suggestions. Love that.